Good night, teacher Erika. My weekly routine. My name is Amilcar Mosquera Pinilla. I always get at 7 a.m. On Monday, I shower, I brush, sometimes have breakfast. I grab my son to study. I usually to go to the center every day. When I return about 10, I prepare lunch. I lunch between 12 and 1 p.m. In the afternoon, have coffee with my friend. We talk for a while about everything a little. I go back to the house. I watch news. I dinner around 8 and I study for a while. I go to the bed at 7 or so time later when I had to do homework at the university. Basically with the pandemic that is my routine from Monday to Sunday with some variation but not very significant. Have a great night. Thank you.